Let's take a look at the new Oracle Touch. It's the next generation of super automatic espresso machines. Let's jump in and see how easy it is to use. There's a clever touch screen. You simply swipe and select your favourite coffee. And it guides you through on how to make it. I can even save my own favourites and name them. Love it. Let's make a latte, shall we? I'll show you how easy it is. This is a portafilter. Most espresso machines in cafes have one. Without this, you just can't replicate cafe quality coffee at home. Grinding, dosing and tamping can be tough, even for a seasoned pro, but this machine does it automatically for you. Precise water temperature at the right pressure and the right time are the keys to a balanced tasting espresso. The difference between a sweet or ashy tasting espresso can be as little as 1 degree in the extraction. This machine uses advanced PID temperature control, same as the espresso machine in my cafe. Now it's time to brew. The very best commercial machines use low pressure to gently expand the grinds prior to the full 9-bar pump pressure. So does the Oracle Touch. Take a look at this perfectly prepared espresso shot. It flows from the portafilter spout like warm honey. Finally, let's texture some milk. When I'm texturing milk, I need to think about temperature as well as the texture for the drink I'm making, but now both are balanced automatically. This is where most struggle at home, but the Oracle Touch creates true cafe quality microfoam. Without this microfoam, milk is likely to sit as a layer on top of the espresso and lack a full body taste. And it even cleans itself. Microfoam milk entraps the oils of the espresso and creates a sweet and balanced flavour. Now that's cafe quality without compromise. This truly is the next generation of super automatic espresso machines. The Breville Oracle Touch.